Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Melissa and Doug coffee maker set is probably one of the most delightful and imaginative additions to any child's play kitchen, offering a realistic and engaging way for little ones to mimic adult routines and explore their creativity through pretend play. This charming set, designed with vibrant colors and sturdy wooden components, allows children to brew their own imaginary coffee, complete with a brewing sound, a pour, spout, and a variety of accessories like cups, spoons, and sugar and cream containers, making it a fantastic tool for developing fine motor skills and social interaction as they serve their customers. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Star Diner Restaurant Play Set. Inspire your child's imagination with this realistic diner play set. It includes 41 high-quality pieces for endless hours of cooking and serving fun. This kit has everything they need to play chef. It comes with essential equipment like spatulas, pans, and even a milkshake cup. Let their creativity shine with double-sided food pieces, a fun apron, a working bell, and even play money for realistic role-playing. Looking for a great gift? This play set is ideal for children aged 3 and up, offering fantastic screen-free entertainment. For over 30 years, we've been creating beautifully designed toys that spark imagination and creativity. Experience the gold standard in early childhood play. What we like? If you're looking for a complete diner experience, this set is perfect. It includes everything from cooking utensils to a guest check and play money, allowing for extensive role-playing scenarios. If you want to encourage imaginative play that mimics real-world restaurant interactions, this is the choice for you. What people say? The quality is fantastic, everything feels sturdy and well-made, which is a must when little hands are involved. This play set is perfect for sparking creativity and imagination. It keeps them entertained for hours and is a great way for them to engage in pretend play without screens. Kiddo loves it. Her favorite thing is to make coffee. Super cute and interactive set. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Smoothie Maker Blender Set. Get ready to make delicious pretend smoothies with this fun blender set. It's perfect for little chefs. This set comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find wooden fruits and veggies, plus fun extras like kale and protein powder. Take orders on the reusable menu, slice your ingredients with the included knife, and serve your creations in a cup with a lid and straw. It's a fantastic way for children to learn about healthy eating, colors, and counting. It also helps develop fine motor and social skills. This makes a wonderful gift for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. It encourages hands-on, screen-free playtime. What we like? If your child is interested in healthy eating and learning about different foods, the Smoothie Maker set is ideal. It encourages an understanding of nutrition and colors while developing fine motor skills. If you want a fun, educational toy that promotes healthy habits, this is a great option. What people say? The coffee maker is very realistic and has a lot of cute accessories. It is a great toy for imaginative play and encourages kids to be creative. The set is well made and durable, perfect for hours of fun. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Wooden Make-A-Cake Mixer Set. Get ready for delicious pretend play with this delightful wooden mixer set. It's perfect for little bakers to get creative in the kitchen. This 11-piece set includes a mixer, bowl, sliceable pretend food, and accessories. You'll have everything you need to whip up a masterpiece. Watch the numbered dial turn and the crank spin the bowl, just like a real mixer. It makes playtime even more engaging and fun. This toy encourages imaginative play and helps develop memory and number skills. It's a fantastic way for children to learn while they play. Ideal for preschoolers aged 3 to 6, this set offers hours of hands-on, screen-free entertainment. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Crafted with FSC-certified materials, this toy supports responsible forestry. You can feel good about the quality and sustainability. What we like? If you want a toy that focuses on baking and creative food preparation, this mixer set is fantastic. The hand crank feature and numbered dial offer interactive elements that promote imaginative play and number skills. If you're looking for a toy that sparks creativity in the kitchen and helps with early math concepts, this is the one. What people say? Very sturdy. I'm always a fan of this brand. Great quality as usual. Grandkids love pretend and this is perfect gift. It comes with a spatula and bowl that are good quality. I would recommend this toy for imaginative play. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Brew and Serve Wooden Coffee Maker Set. Wake up your child's creativity with this delightful wooden coffee maker set. It's designed to spark imaginative play in your little one. This set comes with everything needed for a pretend coffee shop experience. It includes mugs, coffee pods, sugar, creamer, a spoon, and even an ice cube and menu card. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the dial turns to select different size settings. These interactive features make playtime even more engaging. Crafted with sturdy, quality construction, this toy is built to last through countless hours of play. It's a durable addition to any play kitchen. This coffee maker set is perfect for encouraging imaginative and pretend play. Watch as your child creates their own coffee shop adventures. What we like. If your child loves to imitate adult routines and enjoys playing coffee shop, this set is a wonderful choice. It comes with all the essentials for brewing pretend coffee, including sugar and creamer. If you're looking for a toy that encourages social interaction and role-playing around a popular adult activity, this is perfect. What people say. It has held up great to almost daily use from 2 kids after a year. They love making mommy and daddy coffee or tea with this set and have us choose which drink we'd like from the picture card and which add-ins we want. It is super cute, but back to the coffee set. It's durable, adorable, and encourages imaginative play. The fact that it had realistic coffee pods and not just small discs of felt. Made of wood, small for tiny almost 2-year-old hands, nice color, 2 cups which are small but the coffee pods also can nestle in the top, which is my daughter's favorite thing to do. Cute sugar pack, cream carton, ice cube and spoon, all wooden, . All the pieces are very realistic looking down to the coffee pods. This toy is a winner. This is perfect for any preschooler who loves to play kitchen. I was especially amused at how this mimics our Keurig on the kitchen counter, with the mini K-pods and all. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Brew and Serve Wooden Coffee Maker Set. Get ready to wake up your little one's creativity with this fun coffee maker set. It's designed to spark imaginative play and hours of pretend fun. This set comes with everything they need to play barista, including mugs, coffee pods, sugar, creamer, a spoon, and even an ice cube. A menu card is included too. The lid opens and closes, and the dial turns to select different sizes. This adds a realistic touch to their pretend coffee shop adventures. Crafted with sturdy, quality construction, this toy is built for lasting fun. It's designed to withstand enthusiastic play sessions. It arrives in special, easy-to-open packaging that's also curbside recyclable. We aim to reduce waste while making it simple for you. This delightful coffee maker set is perfect for encouraging imaginative play. Watch as they create their own stories and scenarios. What we like. If you want a toy that allows for detailed role-playing of making and serving coffee, this set is excellent. It features a functional coffee maker with adjustable settings, plus all the accessories for a complete coffee experience. If you're seeking a durable, engaging toy that fosters imaginative play and fine motor skills, this is a top pick. What people say. The quality is sturdy, adorable, and feels like it will last for years. It's the perfect mix of imagination and durability. This is the cutest thing. My daughter loves making her daddy coffee. It's very well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.